József Szűcs has established his metal machining workshop in 1991 and currently operates with 100 employees on a 3,000 square metre site. The workshop has more than 90 machines, ranging from CNC milling machines to machine centres and measuring machines. The company offers a wide range of products for many industries, including the oil and medical industry. The workshop's newest addition, which was installed in November 2015, is a Fanuc RoboCut Alpha C600 IA wire EDM, which represents state-of-the-art technology.
We had to cut away to a 20-piece stainless steel duplex sleeve. We knew this would be a recurring job and decided to get a new wire EDM. I've sent the inquiries on a Saturday and got the first reply in half an hour from Fanuc. I had good experiences with Fanuc, as I'd been using robo-drills for 8 years without a single breakdown. Based on this, I had complete trust in the company. We were quick to make the deal. I wanted all optional extras, so I'd be able to make cutting tools with a 4th rotating axis, a diamond tool reconditioning with a PCD generator. Also, we're able to measure the part with a reinsure head, which is quite complex. It's rare to see such a versatile machine with a reasonable price tag like the Fanuc RoboCut Alpha. Fanuc installed the machine within a week, so I must say the company works really fast. Support and service is outstanding, and they're always quick to answer our questions. It was a great experience, because nowadays it's not enough to simply sell a machine, you have to provide comprehensive support with it. Fanuc always managed to live up to these expectations.